video today, I'm going to show you how to make a stunning money bouquet at home, perfect for birthday celebration, anniversary, just because I love your package and a lot more. So without wasting much time, let's go straight into this video. Materials to be used are bouquet wrap, your new money, sellotape, skewer, oasis, rose flower, tape dispenser, ribbon, and double-sided tape. Step 1 is to get your mint money. Place it on the table just like the way I'm placing. You can decide to use the other side, you can decide to use this side. Cut your tape, and with the help of this tape dispenser, it will be very easier for you. The next thing is to stick the tape with the skewer on the new money. After sticking it, check it if everything is strong. The next thing is to fold your money in a triangular way. So today I'm going to do a new style. I'm going to adjust my money to get a 2 triangular shape. Just look at what I'm doing. Yes, 1, 2. So I've adjusted my money to get that 2 triangular shape. The next thing is to use our tape to hold the 2 ends together. See what I'm doing? Yes. So I'm going to repeat the process one after the other. One after the other. You hold your 2 edges together. You can see what I'm doing. You pick up another one. So that one is done. You can see how strong and neat. Pick up another one again. Then place your skewer on it. Cut your tape. Stick it together just like what we did in the first one. So I'm going to stick it on the new money with the skewer. You can see what I'm doing. So the next thing is to fold to give us that triangular shape. So fold your own. Use your tape this thing to hold the 2 sides together. So just continue till you finish all your own money. That's the process. At this point, I was done folding my money. The next thing is to get the rose flower that you're going to use for your design. Stick it with the skewer. Then chook it inside the oasis. You can see what I'm doing. So that's how you're going to do it your own. Stick it at the center of the oasis just like the way I did my own. And the next thing is to arrange your money in a spiral order. Let's arrange it together. The first thing I did, I'll arrange it one after the other. I've picked the second one. This is the third one in a spiral order. You can see what I'm doing. I'll chook it down. I'll pick another one again. I'll chook it and put it down. And when you're doing your own, just make sure that everything is close to each other to give you that look. This moment, I'm loving what I'm doing. You can see it. It was so beautiful. So we'll continue arranging it in a spiral order just like that. We'll continue doing our arrangements one after the other. One after the other. You can see what I'm doing. You continue doing it till you're done. Just repeat the process. Carefully arrange everything the way I'm arranging. Anywhere that you see that is scanty or maybe there is not enough this in there, just chook it down in a spiral order. Carefully arrange it down. If today is your first time seeing my face on your screen, my name is Choice, a gift creator and a surprise planner. On this channel, we help people create unforgettable moments through thoughtful gifts and surprises that strengthen relationships, spread kindness, and make people feel truly valued. So do well to subscribe for more amazing tutorials and gift ideas. At this point, I was almost done with my money. You can see how everything is looking so pretty. So the next thing I will do, you see the way I'm pointing it, I will continue choking that side because that side is a bit scanty. So I'll continue arranging my money just like that. Say everywhere will be full. Doing your own at home, that is how you're going to do it. At some point, you're going to pause. Check anywhere there is little bit scanty. You can see what I'm doing. I'm checking. So I'm pointing there. There is scanty. So I'm going to add more money there because it's a bit scanty. That is how you're going to do your own. So the next one, I'm going to do it. I will bring it down. You can see the adjustment I do. One level up, one level down, one level up, one level down. That's how you're going to do your own. So I'll continue arranging my money till everything is perfectly okay. Just continue arranging yours one by one, one by one. You can see what I was talking about. Here is a bit scanty, there is a bit scanty too, so I will continue that side too. I'll arrange the money that side. I'll continue arrange it one after the other. Just observe the way I'm doing it. It's not hard. It's something that you can do. You can use it to celebrate your loved one, either their birthday celebration, anniversary, wedding gift idea, and a lot more, graduation party, a lot more. You can use money bouquet for it. So you just continue doing it the way I'm doing. I know some people don't know how to do it, but carefully observe and follow my tutorial. You can do it. Something you can do it instead of paying 15,000 or $15 to somebody that will do it for you. Just carefully watch this video. And at this point, everywhere was full, so I'm just trying to adjust each of the side. I noticed that it's not well okay, so I'm going to continue adjusting everything. This point, our bouquet was so beautiful. You can see how everything was looking very demure. So I just continue checking other side. You can see my hand there where I'm checking the money. That's how you're going to do it. Carefully arrange it. And at this point, I was done arranging and everything was so beautiful, so demure. So our next class will be on how to wrap a bouquet. So stay tuned and do it to subscribe.